So today I'm going to be installing this TireJect in all 4 tires on my 4-wheeler. And we're going to see how good they hold up in these tires that leak down all the time. The TireJect comes with a syringe and a tube, and it comes with a little black thing that you can do as a valve stem remover. Well, somehow, without me looking, my son broke it. It's supposed to have 2 little ears right there, so be careful with that. And I had a metal one, so we're using it to remove the valve stem. And then we're going to put a whole bag in each of these tires. The TireJect come to me like this in a Ziploc bag. Here, buddy. Go ahead and take it out of the Ziploc bag, and you're supposed to shake it up. Just shake it up a little bit. Now pull that syringe. Since I'm going to put the whole bag in the tire, I'm not going to measure with the syringe. I'm just going to pour it in it to let it go in the tire. So pull the plunger out of the syringe there, buddy. Pull it all the way out. It'll just pop out. Yeah, now lay it down. Now, yeah, you can lay that down. We already took the valve stem out of this tire. So you unscrew the bag. Yeah, just lay it down. Now hold the syringe up and just pour that bag in the syringe and let it go into the tire. Don't overfill the syringe, but that's how you install it. And if you need to measure it out, you can just kink that line and measure in the syringe and then plunger it in. So, but I got 4 bags here, and we're gonna put a bag in each tire to see how it works. Then I'll report back later if it holds up. Or I've used it on the front tires on a lawnmower before, and that was a year ago, and I never had to add air since. And I think they had thorn punctures. So, but we're pouring the whole bag in each tire, and what the frick? That's okay, I'll get you a rag, buddy. Have you used the whole bag yet? Pour the whole bag in, and then...
What's supposed to happen?
Huh?
Is that supposed to happen?
Yeah, that's fine. It's just burping the air out. Alright, now take that plunger. Let's see if there's... Hold on. Yeah, take that plunger and just push it in. And it'll pull up on it where it's kinked right here. See where it's kinked? Yeah. Now just pull that out and plunger it a couple of times, and all the solution will go in the tire. Alright. And just unscrew it there. And you just spin the whole thing. Okay. Now we'll just insert the valve core back in the rim, and we will air it up, and we're gonna test it out. So I'm gonna do that on all 4 of these. They don't have big holes in them that I know about, but they're got little cracks. They just have leaks somewhere, and I hadn't been able to find them. But we're gonna fill them up with TireJect and see what happens, and I'll report back in the future. Thanks for watching.